Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We are looking here at this cold front, which has just introduced the cloud and rainy weather into the southwest coastline. However, it's going to become dry later on this afternoon over those parts of South Africa. But as this cold front continues to move eastwards, the rainy weather should also spread into parts of the south coast. At the same time, isolated to scattered thundershowers are forecast across the eastern half of South Africa. It's going to stay mostly sunny across the western interior. Now, much of eastern South Africa should see isolated thundershowers in the areas highlighted by the light shades of blue, but scattered thunderstorms are possible for the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Isolated to scattered rainfall is also forecast for parts of the south coast and the southwest coastline. Now, we have a watch in place for severe thunderstorms for your Wednesday afternoon across the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, where storms could produce large hail and damaging winds in places. Here's a look at top temperatures. We are going to see highs in the lower 30s across much of the northwest, as well as around Pretoria and much of Limpopo. A sizzling hot 35 is forecast for the high in Palabora. Temperatures in the lower 30s are also forecast for Bloemfontein and Velkom. Hot across KwaZulu-Natal, cooler for the Eastern Cape with highs in the mid to upper 20s. It's going to be pretty breezy this afternoon along much of the east coast, and we actually have a watch for gale force winds along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Swell heights of the east coast will average around 2 meters coming from a southeasterly direction, and we're expecting the high tide to come in at around 5:30 this afternoon. Fairly comfortable temperatures over the southern Cape areas with highs in the mid-20s for most places. It's going to be mild along the south coast and the southwest coastline, where mostly cloudy skies are expected, resulting in light rain in places. Pretty breeze as well around Jeffreys Bay with winds gusting to 45 kilometers per hour. A hot afternoon is forecast across the northeastern parts of the northern Cape. It's going to be rather mild for Sutherland, peaking at around 23 degrees. We are expecting light to moderate winds once again along much of the west coast. Cape Town warming to just around 22 degrees. A sunny and warm to hot Thursday is forecast for the western half of South Africa. Drizzly conditions for Richards Bay and Durban. Thundershowers are forecast over the northeast.